Hey, how you doing? This is Tour 11 Outdoors. I'm back and coming at you guys again with some footage. I'm going to show you some footage of me sighting in my CVA Wolf Muzzleloader. Today I sighted it in with the Power Belt hollow point bullet. This is what the guys at Dan Sporting Goods recommended me to use, being the fact this is my first year actually muzzleloading hunting, followed by the 777 powder pellets. And I used the CCI primer in my Wolf. But today has been a challenging day. Actually had to get it done, being the fact that this was my only weekend off in a while. Unfortunately, I won't be able to hunt the first day of blackpowder season, which here in Virginia is October 31st. But you know, you gotta pay the bills. But other than that, I'll bring you guys a video of me actually shooting the muzzleloader. I got it dialed in pretty good. Couldn't exactly get it exactly how I wanted to, being in fact because of the rain, and I had some other things going on today. But I'm gonna show you guys some clips of me shooting the muzzleloader. I didn't get me actually loading it and cleaning it in between shots, but I'll try to do that next time. But what I have for you guys today is me actually shooting and showing you the hits on target. Got it pretty dialed in, pretty good. Dialed in kind of close. Just maybe before I go out the weekend, I come back, I can shoot it one more time to like fine tune it to see exactly, to like just a little fine tuning, just a little bit. But I'm also gonna try to show you guys today on me cleaning my CVA. I wanted to do a video on that too. I got the bore blaster. I got the Burrow Blaster Quick Clean. These are the patches. And then I got some regular patches to make sure everything is clean. And I got the breech plug non-stick, anti-seed stick. All right, stand by. Bring you guys a video. I'm off to the right a little bit. 100 yards. And I might need to come over 3 inches and up an inch. All right, I went 3 inches to the right. I'm sorry, 3 inches to the left and 1.5 inches up. That should put me dead on.
That time. We were looking for it. You were waiting on
to the left, but I'm dead on basically a little bit. First shot, second shot. Maybe I need to come back over a little bit. Let's see, maybe I need to come back over maybe 1.5 inches and up.
I'm going up here this time. Man, that's a loud mother. All right, I'm gonna keep it right there. Shit. And I will go up.
And you see it. That thing shot low. So what I'm thinking is, that was the first time after I adjusted it, second time after I adjusted it, third time after I adjusted it. I think it just need to be clean. And I'm gonna be dead on it.
Maybe 4.
After I cleaned it, shot, I ain't touching it no more. Should be dead. Good afternoon, guys. This is Tour 11 Outdoors. Brought you guys some shots down range at the hunt club today. Got pretty close to zero. Well, pretty much right there, zero. Just I don't think I could perfect it as much as I could today. Plus, I had some odds against me today, as far as the rain and everything from Delta and a few other things. But I'm trying to make no excuses. Trying to make sure that I'm right for the for when I come back for, you know, which will be my opening day of black powder. Even though opening day of black powder, like I said, is October the 31st, but unfortunately I have to work. But right now I'm cleaning my gun. I've broken everything down. Forearm is right here. Barrel, the back end of the gun is everything is broken down, nice and easy. I just got finished placing some barrel blaster down my barrel. That's recommended for the CVA as far as getting, you know, cleaning the barrel and everything out. Everything is sitting in there. I'm gonna squirt a little bit more inside the barrel. It should come out on the other end, just a little bit. So that just lets me know that everything is all the way through. That just helps loosen up all the grime and everything from the powder and everything that was put down through it today. Take my rag here. Gonna wipe down my breech plug, even being the fact that I don't have the breech plug soaker. But I will be buying that from muzzleloader.com, and I will let you guys know when I do receive that. But until then, just gonna wipe my breech plug off real good. Front and back. Almost lost it there, but I don't know whether you guys can see that, but almost just like it came right out the box. Nice, shiny. And what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna put my anti-seize stick as recommended. I'm gonna put this on my breech plug. Let's see another spot. But as far as today, I actually kind of fell in love with my gun today. It's been the first time me shooting the first shots ever shooting a muzzleloader. I'm kind of glad that it was given to me as a gift from my fiance, Ashley Walker. I think she blessed me with something I always want. I used to tell her all the time, I wish I could go muzzleloader hunting, and this is something that she got me for Christmas. Lord bless her heart. But I actually fell in love with it today. Being the fact that it's sat in the gun cabinet for a year, so I was anxious to get it out there and try it out. So, all right, now that that's nice and clean, I'm gonna do as recommended. I'm gonna rub some of this anti-seize stick on there, so that way it won't stick on me. Actually, when I brought it home from shooting it, I cleaned it a little bit at the hunt club, and just wiped it down. I think I just put a little bit of this on there. And when I got home, and right before I got ready to break it down, the breech plug wanted to stick just a little bit. Had to put a little muscle into it. But other than that, everything else came apart just fine. So that should be enough. Hopefully that is enough, because I don't want it to be super hard when I get back down here, because I'm gonna be ready to hunt. So set that off to the side. And I'm just gonna take the old rag here and just clean out the inside. That black powder does get really nasty, so, which I did this at the hunting club too. I wiped down the inside. I see a couple little places on the firing pan, by the firing pan.
Battery low.
Okay. So that's nice and clean. Got that nice and clean by my firing pan area. And I'm just gonna give this about maybe 30 minutes, and I'm gonna be right back as far as me pushing the patches down there, showing you how well that it cleans out the barrel. All right, 30 minutes is up. Now I'm gonna take clear patch through my muzzle, or through my barrel rather, whichever way you want to call it. You can see the foam coming out the barrel. Ooh, almost got away from me. All right, you can see that. Nasty, right? Very low. Don't worry about it. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna run these patches down through here until it comes out clean. Try my best not to bump the scope. You don't only know what I've been through today trying to get this thing sighted in and who I was with. That's all I'm gonna say about that. But well, on the clean side through. Alright. Just gonna get a handful of them. She's coming, she's getting clean. Slowly but surely. But look at all that. I heard it was a process, but you know, I mean, to me, you just become one with the gun. It's one of the reasons why I wanted to get into it. Just getting a little bit cleaner. Flip it over. I just want to make sure I get this thing clean pretty good so that way when I come back home to hunt, I ain't got to take it to no gunsmith because I can't. Something is acting funny on it, so just want to take the proper precautions and make sure everything was clean on it, being the fact that I did shoot it today. Should be a couple more. Maybe one more. Maybe on this side. Just got a little bit more in there. Try 2 more maybe. Hopefully 1 more. Let's say 2 more though. Being the fact that it's barely anything on the claw. Pass it through. See that? Pretty much clean. All right, so just gonna roll with that. And if I'm watching other people's videos, I'm gonna do the Burrow Blaster Quick Clean Patches. That's picking up something a little bit extra. Flip it over. Alright. I'm gonna run maybe one more, then I'm gonna send a clean patch down through it. And see what it looks like. That's starting to even lighten up. Alright. Alright. Clean patch. Stand by. Alright, so should be my last patch. As you guys can see, she's clean. Nice and clean. Bro, it's nice and clean all the way through. Almost look like she came out of the box. Okay. Alright, now on the reassemble. Show you guys how to do this. I'm gonna put my stuff up first. Put my patches back in the bag. Alright. Put all my dirty stuff that's going in the trash in one pile. Reassemble, got all my stuff back together. Patches are back in the bag. Burrow Blaster Quick Clean patches are up. Anti-seize stick. Even though I'm gonna apply a little bit more on my bridge plug, being the fact because I don't want it to get stuck. So I'm just wiping everything down. Gonna show you guys how to reassemble this bad boy. It's easy. So you take it, put this in here. And just like that. Put this part that. Screw, flathead screwdriver. Tighten it back up. Trying my best not to bump the scoop, y'all. Alright. Alright. Break it down. I'm going to take my anti-seize stick again just to make sure that it's well evenly coated. That should be good to go. Seize stick, top. Alright, and I'm going to real quickly. Should have thought about this at first, but check my breech plug out, and I'm going to reassemble my breech plug with the anti-seize stick on it. Takes a little while to screw in, but it's all good. Ready? Just like that. And just like that, it's back together. One clean CVA Wolf. I'm just gonna take this so I won't forget. Take the extender off my my ramrod. Place this back into the hold on the burr, the ramrod holder. And cap. Screw that on. And if you have not already, please hit that like and subscribe button. I'm going to bring you guys, hopefully next time you guys see me, I'll probably do some fine tuning, which I'm going to shoot my gun one more time before I take it out into the field. And next time it should be on. Hope you guys have a blessed day.